Hey everybody, Polenta here. Haven't done a regular video anyway, in quite some time. And the sky is so beautiful. I just wanted to share with you what I'm looking at here. Look at those beautiful clouds. Just walking around out here. You know, now that the weather is starting to calm down a bit, we're getting into early August, and as you will soon see here, my garden is on its way out. Well, the Swiss chards, they'll stick around because, you know, it's going to be winter eventually. Snow peas, they hung in there as long as they could. The basil, and so my corn is no more. Still have some okras there that are going out of control. But look at this beautiful sky. Wow. How can you not appreciate that? You know, come out here and just take it all in. Take a nice deep breath and just be grateful for life, positivity, all this beauty that nature is so gracious enough to share with us little people. It's absolutely beautiful. So, hi everybody. Hope you're having a fabulous day. Hope everything in your life is going fantastic. And I am going to go and jump up in this beautiful sky. See you later.